The average manufacturer might use as many as 10 different applications to run their business. With each department using a different software solution, keeping everyone on the same page isn't easy. With Odoo, all your needs are met out of the box. In Odoo, you have MRP, quality, maintenance, as well as PLM, inventory, and purchasing all together in one single platform. Let's take a look at how to plan your manufacturing orders using Odoo. The MRP allows you to plan manufacturing orders automatically using the Master Production Schedule, Minimum Stock, or Make-to-Order rules. The Master Production Schedule automatically creates manufacturing orders based on demand forecasts, stock on hand, and indirect demand. This allows you to prioritize manufacturing orders to schedule work in the future, review the schedule, and adjust it manually if needed. You can also check your work center capacity in a single click. With scheduling complete, you are ready to start assembly. Workers use tablets on the shop floor to record production, check worksheets, track time, and more. All the information they need is just a tap away. This is what a worker sees on their tablet. The work order is perfectly integrated with worksheet instructions. The worker's tablet is now integrated with barcode scanners for lots and serial numbers, and quality controls such as photos, pass-fail tests, or measurements are fully integrated with tools and machines. The Odoo IoT box allows you to connect tools and machines to the Work Center control panel to automate measurements, machine setup, or work instructions. Any device can be connected, such as printers or barcode scanners. That way, work is optimized thanks to the reduction of errors and an increase in productivity. Work is timed automatically, no stopwatch required. Odoo uses this measured time to schedule future orders accurately. This native integration is what makes Odoo different from other MRP systems. All data are synchronized together instantly. It's easy to add a process from another department through the assembly line and track it. If something goes wrong, like a machine malfunction or missing raw materials, the worker can flag the order as blocked, then trigger a quality alert, maintenance request, or record scrap units as needed. This will directly notify the right department about the issue. Once it's resolved, the other teams are notified by these alerts triggered during the assembly. This helps you track any errors and makes production more efficient through better communication between all the teams involved in the global manufacturing process. Let's get back to assembly. Once the job is finished, the worker can record production with the press of a button or by scanning a barcode. When production is complete, the traceability report shows you the serial numbers of each item used to manufacture your product. The quality department has a key role through the whole manufacturing process. They can review the quality alert and track the status of investigations. Dynamic reporting features help spot trends and conduct root cause analysis. Also, quality control points can be defined to make sure that each piece of the product reaches quality standards. The Kanban view is great to keep the quality team organized and keep track of your investigations. A new alert about the failed quality check is here in the quality dashboard. As your investigation progresses, assign a root cause. For continuous improvement, you can set up preventative actions like quality control points, alerts for the manufacturing department, or engineering change orders. Because the problem is related to the manufacturing process, the engineering department can create an ECO to fix it. It's easy to create and manage ECOs. The system tracks different versions of BOMs and routings. You can attach CAD files and other documents and quickly review changes to the BOM. Make sure the ECO is approved by the relevant department at each stage of the implementation process, and communication is all in one place. It's easy to manage each new version of your BOM or routing, and with Odoo, you can easily differentiate or merge these documents. You can also see at a glance the structure of the BOMs by opening each component and viewing all the details, such as operating costs. When the ECO is deployed, you can check the first pieces produced with a quality control plan. Set up a new control point and the workers will receive instructions on their tablets. Thanks to the integration of Odoo's apps, optimizing your whole process is easy. Odoo Manufacturing is fully integrated with maintenance and repairs. You can plan and track preventative and corrective maintenance on all your assets from a simple dashboard. From the Maintenance Kanban, you can quickly prioritize and schedule incoming maintenance requests. You can select a ticket, assign it to a technician, schedule it, and move the ticket to the next stage. Then you can review the whole maintenance schedule on a calendar. And dynamic reporting helps you manage your maintenance team more efficiently. This same dynamic reporting functionality is available in every app in Odoo. Nearly any metric you could ask for can be sorted, grouped, filtered, and displayed in a histogram, chart, or pivot table to provide you with insights into your operations. You can quickly get a cost report on a manufacturing order. Time and material costs are used to automatically calculate the cost of the order, and total traceability is just a click away. If work stops for whatever reason, a worker can flag the work center as blocked. Odoo computes OEE automatically by tracking working time and block time. So you can view OEE reports on each work center to find where you're losing the most time. With a robust set of features that work out of the box and a user-friendly interface, Odoo aims to cover every software need of your manufacturing organization. Since Odoo Manufacturing is fully integrated with all Odoo apps such as inventory, purchase, and sales, you can keep everyone in your supply chain on the same page.